and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to have some fun exploring two super cool words that you might not have heard before. The first word is bombinate. Bombinate. Don't worry, it's not some kind of explosive bug. Bombinate simply means to make a buzzing or humming sound. For example, have you ever been outside on a warm summer day and heard the sound of bees buzzing around the flowers? That's the perfect example of bombinating. Another example could be the sound of a car engine revving up, or the sound of an airplane flying overhead. Here is a sentence example. As I was lying in the grass, I couldn't help but notice the bees bombinating around me. Next up, we have transmogrify. Transmogrify. If you think that sounds like some kind of magical transformation, well, you're not too far off. This one is a little more magical. Transmogrify means to change or transform something completely. It's like turning a caterpillar into a butterfly, or turning a boring old room into a palace fit for a king or queen. For example, have you ever seen those cooking shows where they take a regular, boring cake and turn it into a masterpiece? That's transmogrifying at its finest. Or maybe you have seen those before and after pictures of people who have transformed their bodies through exercise and healthy eating. That's another example of transmogrification. So, whether it's transforming a room in your house, changing your appearance, or even just altering your mindset, transmogrification is all about making a complete and total change. Here is a sentence example. After getting a new haircut and wardrobe, she felt like she had transmogrified into a whole new person. So, there you have it. Two words that are sure to impress your friends and make you sound like a total language genius. That's all for this episode, folks. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.